Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is function. So let us understand what is function notation. So the function notation is the mathematical way of writing equations. It is the mathematical way of writing equations. So if you say y is equal to x plus 2 is an equation. So we just write f of x is equal to x plus 2. So this is a function notation. So let us understand what is more about functions. A mapping transforms one set of numbers into different set of numbers. So a function is a special mapping. Function it is also called an equation. A function is also called an equation, is a special mapping that maps each number of a set to only one number in the another set. So 1 is mapping onto 5, 2 maps onto 6, 3. This is your input and this is your output. So what you understand here, what is the relation between 1 and 5? It is plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the function here is x plus 4, or you can say that add 4. In the function notation, if you have to write, you can write in two ways. You can write f, you can read this as f is the function that maps x into x plus 4. F is the function that maps x to x plus 4. Or you can write it as f of x is equal to x plus 4. So the values are going to change according to the value of x. So an expression such as x plus 4 in which the variable x is called a function of x. Its numerical value depends on the value of x. Suppose you have to find f of 1. So f of 1 is equal to 5. That means function f maps in the number 1 to number 5. So in this function f of x is equal to x plus 4. If I have to find f of 1, just in place of x, I'm writing 1. So 1 plus 4, this is how we get this as 5. Let us solve some problems based on that. So you have a function f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Find f of 5 and f of minus 7. So let us take this as a function. So what are we doing here? We are just substituting the value of, in place of x, we are putting the value 5 since you are asked to find f of 5. Now 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. This is how you get f of 5 is equal to 9. Now to find f of minus 7, putting in function 2x minus 7. So you just put the value of x as minus 7. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14 and minus 14 minus 1 is minus 15. This is how you get f of minus 7 is equal to minus 15. This was simple. Few more examples. F of x is given as x square minus 3x. Find f of 6. Again, we substitute 6 in place of x. So x square, so 6 square. 6 square is 36 and 3 times 6 is 18. So 36 minus 18, we get this as 18. F of minus 2, in place of x, we put minus 2. Minus 2 square is going to be positive 4. And minus 3 times minus 2 is positive 6. So 4 plus 6, this gives us 10. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 5. Find f of 3. Put 3 in place of x. So twice 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. And 54 plus 5, you get this as 59. This is how you get f of 3 is equal to 59. F of minus 1, in place of x, put minus 1. We know that the cube of negative is negative. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. And minus 2 plus 5, we get this as 3. So minus 2 plus 5, we get this as 3. This is how you got f of 1 minus 1 as 3. Now, f of x is equal to 2x plus 7. Find the value of x for which f of x is equal to 35. So this is a simple equation. In place of f of x, we are going to put 35. So we get simple equation 2x plus 7 is equal to 35. Now, when this 7 moves here, we are subtracting. To get rid of 7, we'll have to subtract 7 from both ends. So this is how, or other way you have to remember is if 2x plus 7 is equal to 35, moving this 7 over here, it becomes inverse. So your 2x is equal to 35 minus 7, and which is 28. Now, to remove this 2, we'll have to divide both sides by 2. So dividing by 2, you get x is equal to 14. Okay, simple that. So it is just solving an equation. The name is given as functions. That's it. So if you have to check, put it over here. 2 times 14, value of x we got 14. 2 times 14 is 28 and 28 plus 7 was 35. f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Find the values of x, for which f of x is equal to 22. Again, we frame an equation. We get x square minus x is equal to 22. So you get x square is equal to minus 3 goes here, it becomes plus 3. So you get 22 plus 3, you get 25. Now x is equal to square root of 25. So root of 25 is plus or minus 5. This is how you get the value of x as plus or minus 5. Taking it, x square, 5 square is 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. If you put minus 5 square is also 25. And 25 minus 3 is 22. Easy that? F of x is equal to 4x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Find the value of x such that fx is equal to gx. So we get an equation. We put the values of f of x and g of x. So we get 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. Solve this equation, moving this 3 here. You get 4x minus 3x and 1 moves over here. You get minus 3. So you get x is equal to minus 3. You are going to get x is equal to minus 3. So moving this 3x here, 4x minus 3x was x. And this 1 goes here, minus 2 minus 1, you get this as minus 3. Getting it? Solving simple equation. And check it now, f of minus 3, put the value of, in place of x, you are putting minus 3, 4 times minus 3 is minus 12 plus 1, you get it as minus 11. If g of minus 3, if you are putting g of minus 3 in this g value, 3 times minus 3 is minus 9, minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11. Got that? So children, next video we will be coming up with composite functions. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.